In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Salesforce account in 2025, step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Salesforce login page. In many cases, this is the standard Salesforce sign-in screen. However, if your company uses a custom Salesforce domain, sometimes called My Domain, make sure you use the specific login link provided by your organization. That's important because some companies route users through a custom sign-in page rather than the default Salesforce login screen. Once the login page loads, look for the username field. Here, enter the username connected to your Salesforce account. For many users, this will be a work email address, but depending on how your organization has set things up, it could be something slightly different. If you're unsure, it's best to use the exact username your company gave you for Salesforce access. Next, move to the password field and enter your Salesforce password carefully. Since passwords are case sensitive, take a second to make sure everything is typed correctly. If you're on a personal device and your browser offers to save your credentials, think about whether that's appropriate for your security policy before accepting. Once your username and password are entered, click the Login button to continue. At this point, Salesforce may ask you to complete identity verification. This is a normal part of the login process and helps keep your account secure. Depending on your organization's settings, you might need to enter a verification code sent to your email or mobile device, approve a login request in an authenticator app, or use another verification method your company has already configured. Just follow the on-screen prompts and complete the verification step to finish signing in. After that, you should be taken into your Salesforce dashboard. From there, you can begin working with the tools and data available to you. Common areas you may see include leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, reports, dashboards, and campaigns, along with any other Salesforce apps or features your organization uses. If your login doesn't work on the first try, double check that you entered the correct username, password, and login URL. A small typo or using the wrong domain is often the issue, and if you still can't access your account, your company's Salesforce administrator or IT team should be able to help. That's how to log into your Salesforce account quickly and securely.